Hi friends. If you are thinking of booking a Red Planet hotel in Bangkok SILOM, this video will provide some useful information. This one is called Red Planet Bangkok Surawong, and is located within a walking distance from the Chong Nonsi Sky train station. Because of a few extra amenities, the rooms in this hotel are different from typical Red Planet hotels. However, in my experience, Red Planet Surawong was a disappointment. There was a major drawback in the hotel, because of which I have decided not to stay there again. Let us see the details. A standard double room here cost me 1,700 Indian rupees per day. That does not sound expensive, considering the location of the hotel. Moreover, this room had a mini fridge and a coffee maker. These two things are usually not found in Red Planet rooms. Apart from that, there was a comfortable double bed, a TV, a digital locker, and a hanger stand instead of a wardrobe. There was also a split-type air conditioner, which worked well. The bathroom was compact, but clean, with a shower stand, and hot and cold water. There was a 7-Eleven store in the same building, which was a major plus. The lobby was modern, with a waiting area, and a few computers for surfing the internet. With all these amenities, the hotel looked like value for money. However, there was a problem. And that was poor soundproofing. If you have ever heard of a hotel having thin walls, you can experience them here. Not only I could hear the music or TV in the next room, I could even hear people talking. And they were not loud, it was just thin walls. The hotel was otherwise nice, it just failed to provide peaceful sleep. I will not be staying at Red Planet Surawong again, but will really appreciate if you can share your own experience in this hotel. Please leave a comment below, and I will respond as soon as possible. Consider giving a thumbs up if you like the video, and subscribe for more such videos in the future. Many thanks for watching.